Hello everyone, how to share mobile hotspot on Windows 11. Actually, if you go ahead, open up the settings app on your Windows 11 machine and then go to the network and internet, followed by that you will see the option of the mobile hotspot. You can just simply click on it, or you can just click on this option, toggle to turn that on, but you don't know its password or the other details. But for that you have to click on that. You will notice that here is the option of share my internet connection. If your PC is connected to an Ethernet cable, that way it can be shared through that. However, if it is connected through Wi-Fi, then it can be also shared through the Wi-Fi adapter or the Wi-Fi port that your motherboard has it. So if you also scroll down to the end, you will see that here is the name of the hotspot and then the password. Or you can always scan the QR code and anyone can connect through their mobile devices or their PC easily through these network. It's easy peasy, just like that. Let me know if you have another question. Oh, and by the way, the shortcut method of this is available within the notification center. If you go scroll down, you'll notice that here is the option of the mobile hotspot. If you just simply click on it, it's going to bring you the option, but if you right click on it, the option of go to settings will appear. Just right click on it and then boom, you are in the properties of the mobile hotspot. Hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and goodbye.